All right, now we're going to use this example here to start deriving some of the reduction formulas. Okay, so let's look at A. So we've got cosine theta minus, the cosine of theta minus 3 pi over 2. Okay, so let's use our, what we know, right? So it's cosine with the difference. So that means it's going to be cosine theta, cosine of 3 pi over 2 plus sine theta, sine of 3 pi over 2. Okay, and that's just from memorizing the formulas. Okay, so now from here, what do we do? Okay, well, we have cosine theta. Okay, so this is 3 pi over 2, which is a 90-degree angle. It's basically 270 degrees, right? So 3/4 of the way around the unit circle. So cosine here is going to be -1. Cosine of 3 pi over 2 is -1. Or excuse me, I'm sorry. 0, not -1. I'm thinking goes to 1. Yeah, it's 0. Not 1, not -1. I'm thinking thinking pi, or excuse me, sine. So plus sine theta, and here this is -1. And so obviously, well, this is going to go away to 0, and this is going to be what? Negative sine theta. And we're done with that one. Now what about this one? Now we haven't done anything with tangent, so now we get to use the tangent, the sum formula for tangent. Okay? So here, it's sum, so this is the formula we're going to use, right? So it's going to be a sum on top and a difference on the bottom. So we're going to do the sum of each of these, so it's going to be tangent theta plus tangent of 3 pi, right? And then on the bottom, it's going to be 1 minus the product, right? So it's going to be 1 minus the product of tangent theta and tangent 3 pi, okay? So with tangent, you just got to figure out a nice mnemonic way of memorizing these, okay? And let's see, anything else that they want us to... Okay, so now all we're going to do is simplify this. Okay, so we're going to get tangent theta plus... Now, what's the tangent of 3 pi? Okay. Well, think about it. The behavior of tangent is from what? Negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And at 0, right, at every multiple of pi, right, the period is pi. So we know it crosses the x-axis at 0. So it's 0 at 0, but every period of pi is going to be 0. So every multiple of pi, it's going to be 0. So this is going to be 0. And then 1 minus, oh, well here it's going to be tangent pi times 0 again. So it's going to be, or excuse me, not tangent pi, tangent theta times 0 again. So that's going to be 0. So this is going to end up being tangent theta. Not bad. All right. I like that one. Have a good day.